Isla's first food.
First.
She really wants to eat her bib instead of her food.
First
Okay, here we go.
cereal. Come here, Isla. Come here. Let's put this in your mouth.
Come on. Maybe we'll take the bib off, sweetie, if you can't handle it. What do you think?
Yummy. Yummy.
What's that?
It's baby cereal.
We gave this to
My
you.
sugar.
Well, when you were a little guy, we gave you some.
What do you think?
What do you think, Mama? Is that good stuff?
Seems to be a hit. You want to feed yourself? I think you're a little young.
You're smiling.
Is that good?
Let go, Kung Fu. Hey.